Hello friends. Welcome to this channel. And today we are going to put a spotlight on how to use drag and drop in recyclerview in Android Studio. Now add recyclerview and material library in your build.gradle file. Now go to mainactivity class and add recyclerview inside the main layout. Now I create a new layout for recyclerview. Here I add card view, and then set card corner radius and background color of card view. Now I add text view inside this layout, and then set padding, text size, text style, text color to text view.
Now I create a new class for recyclerview adapter. And then extends this class to recyclerview adapter class. Now create a view holder class inside this class, and extend this class to recyclerview view holder. And then implements all the methods.
Now create a string type ArrayList variable in constructor of recyclerview adapter. In getItemCount method, return the size of list. Now in onCreateViewHolder method, return viewholder class. Now finds the view IDs in viewholder class. Here I create a variable for recyclerview adapter class. Now I create a variable for string type ArrayList. and in onCreate method initialize this variable, and then add data to this list. Now creates a method for item touch helper, and then implement all the methods. Now initialize the adapter variable, and then set into recyclerview adapter. Now initialize the item touch helper callback, and then attach this to recyclerview. Now I run the project. Now I run the project. Thanks for watching us. Stay tuned, and please like and subscribe to never miss any updates.